Hey, good morning. It's 4:30 in the morning and we are heading out to one of our greatest adventures. We're gonna go hiking the Alpine Crossing. Good morning. Again, we're here at what's the name?
Tongariro.
Tongariro Crossing. This is the car park. I'll put the name of the car park there. Just arrived here. It's a good thing we caught the 7 a.m. shuttle taking us to the first part of the trip, and it's freezing cold. The Tongariro Alpine Crossing. So
19.4
that's 19 kilometers of walking. Very important to have your gear ready. And by the way, you remember us hiking and stuff and exercising. All those preparations leads up to this big adventure that we're heading to. Now check out what she's wearing. She's wearing 4 layers of clothing. Five actually, like 3 pairs of pants, of course a headgear, and 4 layers of jacket. Ako, I'm wearing this, think 4 layers underneath this.
Tell them the weather forecast.
Naka-shorts lang ako, and then jogging pants, tapos rubber shoes. I think yung medyas medyo sablay kasi isang layer lang nung cheap medyas yung meron ako. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted. Woo! Ayan. So, ito yung trail natin naman ngayon. Medyo mas mabato na siya. Pero super ganda dito, as in nice. Medyo manhid na lang nga yung mukha ko, tenga at saka ilong. Our trail has just gotten steeper. We're just on the 2-kilometer mark. We have some fellow Filipinos at the back. Guys, mga kabayan.
Sa Pilipinas, sa Laguna, sa Batangas.
Yan ang paligid natin. Ito medyo flat, tapos may trail sa likod, nakikita nyo. And been walking for an hour clocked in. We've finished the first part. That's an hour and a half's worth of walking. This is now called the Devil's Staircase. This is going to be a 40-minute ascend up a very steep trail. So before you get onto this, you make sure you hydrate, eat if you want to, go to the restroom if you need to. It stinks bad in there. And we've shed some of our clothes because it started to maging maaraw. And uy, may kabayan pala tayo sa likod. It's Johnny. Ayan. Oh, 40 minutes. That's it. Hey, let me just show you guys this amazing place. And if you could see, I don't know if you can see it, I think you can, right there. Those are some of the hikers. We're gonna go on the same path. Whew. Whew. I don't know what to say. Whew. So we have to stop every 10 feet. That's great. Look at that. That's where we're trying to get to.
have these.
You see these gummy worms? Really good for hiking. No time to slack off. Ninyo, so bago na naman yung landscape. Our landscape now is very flat and the dirt color has changed to a nice tan mocha coffee color. So if you can see behind us, so the ground is now flat because we've reached the summit of at least this path here. By the way, fellas, that mountain there with the reddish hue on top, that is Mount Doom. That's the Mount Doom in the Lord of the Rings, where Frodo and the rest of the gang had to bring the ring to have it destroyed. Right there. That's Mount Doom. Hey, I hope you guys can see what's behind me. Those are clouds. Really, really awesome. Ooh, this is such a beautiful, beautiful place. I've never seen anything like this. Look, just behind me over there. That's just a vast expanse of mountains. And the clouds are just blowing right past us. Like there. This is all worth it. So nice, so nice. So we're here at the top, we're resting, we're having lunch, people are having lunch here as well. Behind us, that's Mount Doom, that's very legit. So we're literally the same height as that is. We're having sky flakes, Mr. Chips. So shout out to those brands. We've now clocked in 4 hours of hiking. Over there, it's a nice piece of colored mountainside. Nice red mountainside over there. So really guys, this is the summit of the Alpine Crossing trail. Behind us, and you can see like a little lake, small pond there, very green. Giving you guys some nice shots of the lake behind me. That's the Emerald Lake. I made that up. I just hear people saying that, so there. Here is our view. Please do.
Alright, just relax and you'll go down good. Don't get too stressed out.
She's so happy she's down. She's been bumbling the whole way. We finally got down and we're back. So this is another 2 hours. Pero medyo flat na yan. There's another lake here. There you go. Another lake. I'm so tired. So tired. So tired. Down the Alpine Crossing. And we made ourselves as a successfully everything. So we were wrong. There's another 45 minutes that we need to accomplish before we can get to the car park. But this is a nice trail, very jungly. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. I don't know if my lyrics are correct. Ooh. 45 more minutes of this.